Hey guys, what up? Welcome back to the channel. We're super excited for today's video. I had to splurge on myself and get something for the channel. It's not just for me, it's for you guys too. It's the KRATON 8S, the big boy. I've been wanting one of these for a while, and in this video we're gonna unbox it and take it for its first run and let you guys watch it. You got anything, bro?
I'm just stumped by the sheer size of this thing. The box is as big as I am.
And it's all we can do to pick it up. It's heavy.
Yeah, I'm slick spazzing, guys. It's gonna be an epic one.
And we got lots of plans for upgrades because I've watched a lot of videos on this thing, and it's awesome, but it's slow. So we'll probably run it for a while in stock form, and then later on down the road we're gonna do some upgrades and make it faster. We also had to get this. Well, we didn't have to, but I wanted it. This is a smart technology by Spectrum, the Power Stage Battery and Charger Bundle 8S. I've been wanting one of these smart chargers because the smart charger takes good care of your batteries automatically. Basically, you can set up your batteries where they're in smart mode, and if you don't use them, they'll go into storage on their own. So we'll be unboxing this in this video too. So without too much rambling, let's get on with it and roll that unboxing. All right, guys, here we go. Time to unbox the KRATON 8S. That no more. Nor that. Whoa!
That's
dang, guys. We'll open that one in a minute. Let's get this thing out of here. I'm gonna pick it up. You pull the box out for me.
All right.
Take
Instructions and extra parts.
Oh, look at this thing, guys. Thing is a monster. Wow.
Definitely bigger than an X-Max.
Oh yeah, way bigger.
It's actually bigger than the fifth scale you have.
Look, guys. Look at that.
Just don't bash. Blast.
Yeah.
Jeez.
Look at this monster, guys. This thing is a monster. Let's get it set up and take it bashing. Show you under the hood here real quick.
It's so pretty. Oh. Let's see.
That's in case you want to just run one battery.
Yep. 2 batteries set up. Oh, it's so pretty. We got to get this thing dirty.
Heck yeah. Double battery boxes.
Come on,
we got these IC5s on here, guys. I got this smart charger and battery, so I'm eventually gonna switch all my stuff to the smart batteries with the IC5 connectors. The IC5s is the way to go now, so I got to put my whole collection on those kind of connectors now, so I can use my batteries on multiple cars. Anyway, guys, have a look down in the car. Check it out, guys. Thing is a beast. All right, guys, let's see what this remote looks like. Oh, sweet, it comes with the good remote. Look, guys, the good remote, Spectrum DX2E. I'm glad it didn't come with that. Where is that sucker? Oh, I don't know if I even have it anymore. No, that's not it. Oh well, this is the good Spectrum remote, guys. I'm glad it came with this one and not the other one that some of the version 4 or 6S Arrmas come with, because those are junk. But this one's great. I love it. All right, guys, that's that. Let's unbox this smart charger and batteries now. Pop it open, bro.
Get that out of here. The smart charger. Oh, it's pretty. So freaking pretty. This is one of the prettier chargers that I've ever seen.
Oh, it's smaller than I thought it was.
Yeah.
The thing looks nice, bro.
Oh, it's so pretty.
Peel that off on camera.
Satisfying peel.
Yep, the satisfaction is extreme.
Oh, it's so satisfying. Ooh, hard shells.
Oh, they are?
Yeah.
Those are nice, man.
These are epic.
50C, 5000 milliamp. If we put one of the X-Maxes to these kind of connectors, these will be good in the X-Max too.
Yeah. Use a little technical jargon, plugs, connectors. Oh, that's pretty. Yeah, that's pretty. First plug in.
Here we go, guys. Let's see what this thing's all about.
Oh, that's cool.
All right, now let's plug these batteries in and get them started charging.
Oh, snap. It's like an iPod. You and your Apple products.
I guess that's it. They're charging. All right, guys, the batteries are on to charge. As soon as we get them charged up, we're going to bash.
Drop test number 1.
Drop test. That is excellent, guys. It absorbed all of that.
No bottoming out.
Now one more, just a little bit higher. Drop test. Ooh,
Oh, it touched.
that's a high jump. That's a long ways up.
Yeah, that's about 7 feet.
One more time, not quite as high. Here we go, guys. Putting the body on. Got the batteries in and charged. We're gonna take this thing for a spin and see what it's all about. Remote's on, so now I gotta just turn the car on. Here we go. Listen for it. $8S, baby. Here we go. Thing is an animal, guys.
It's faster than I thought.
For that big, yeah, it's fast. But it can definitely be faster. I wonder if just some different diff fluid wouldn't make a big difference.
I don't think it will make it faster.
You don't think higher weight diff fluid would make it faster?
No.
I think we should try it and see. Good strong steering.
Yeah.
Thing is
Good
good,
servos.
guys. It just needs a little bit more power. Other than that, I really like it. I like its size. I like the way it looks. And it's fast enough for now. I'm going to have fun with it. Maybe upgrade it later on down the road. It's got some beef.
It's got some get up and go.
It's got some beef for its size. Oh, yeah.
No, it's not going to do reverse donuts.
Like the E-Revo does?
Yeah, it won't do it. Not enough power yet.
that's the end of the KRATON 8S unboxing and first run video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you do, leave me a comment down below, and anything you'd like to see us do, let us know. We got many more great videos to come with this. I'm not going to upgrade it right away. I'm going to run it like it is for a while until something wears out or whatever. It's got enough speed for now. You got anything, bro?
Well, man, I'd just like to take a little bit of time to say thank you to our viewers. And share the word. Like, spread. Help us grow so we can keep doing stuff like this. And shout out to Woody Wood. Yeah, I'm glad we could make your Monday, man. Glad we can make your Monday. Keep watching.
Yeah, it feels good when we make people happy, bring a smile to their face when they had a bad day. That's what this channel is all about, guys. Spreading happiness and trying to make the world a more positive place, giving something to be happy about, and something to bring a smile to their face. But we love this truck. There'll be many more videos coming. We got Castle 8S systems. We may do a surprise. You guys never know. So if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and smash the bell so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one.
Peace.